Stan Lee may have left us in 2018, but at LA Comic-Con this year, fans kinda got a chance to chat with the legendary Marvel character. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the tech updates. The Stan Lee experience is a mind-blowing AI-powered hologram that brought Holo Stan back to life for a new generation of comic lovers. The 1,500 square foot booth wasn't just a display, it was a fully interactive avatar that answered questions from attendees in real time, calling fans by name and sharing his signature wit and wisdom. When asked which superhero he'd pick to save the world, the hologram didn't hesitate and picked Spider-Man, of course. The hologram said, "For decades, I had the thrill of spinning yarns about heroes and villains, but the real heroes have always been you, the fans." It was a heartfelt reminder of why Stan Lee's impact still speaks volumes of hope, heart, and heroism. Behind the scenes, the technology was developed through a collaboration between Hyperreal and Proto Hologram, authorized by the Stan Lee universe. Using decades of Lee's interviews, writings, and speeches, they crafted an AI that stays true to Stan's spirit, never putting words in his mouth that he wouldn't have said himself. Bob Sabuni, head of Stan Lee Legacy Programs, emphasized that this experience honors Stan's voice and legacy, allowing fans to keep the conversation going long after his passing. Proto Hologram said it felt like Stan was really there, reminding us why this impact is everlasting. And for many, including longtime LA Comic-Con CEO Chris DeMolin, it's a magical way to connect with a man who loved meeting fans of all ages. The Stan Lee experience costed $15 and ran till September 28 at LA Comic-Con. It was a must-see for anyone who's ever dreamed of meeting the man behind the Marvel Universe. Did you ever wish to meet Stan Lee? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.